This 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 8.0 LV10 engine, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, power exterior mirrors, power windows, black exterior, black interior, only 67,241 miles, 1 owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery, Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 Quad Cab V10 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery, Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery, Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.